All right, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about getting your money into Acorns. You've probably heard about Acorns, right? That app that magically turns your spare change into investments. It's like having a tiny financial wizard in your pocket. But here's the burning question. Can you just, dump a bunch of cash into it? Can you treat it like your regular bank account? Let's dive in. First off, Acorns isn't exactly a traditional bank account. It's more like a super smart piggy bank that invests your money. So, the short answer to can you deposit money directly into Acorns like cash is no. You can't stuff dollar bills into your phone. That would be awesome, but sadly, not possible. But don't worry, it's not a total buzzkill. There are still plenty of ways to get your money growing in your Acorns garden. The most common method is through what they call recurring investments. This is where you set up automatic transfers from your regular bank account to your Acorns account. It's like setting up a standing order, but way cooler because it's your money growing, not just sitting there. You can choose to invest daily, weekly, or monthly. It's like giving your future self a little gift every now and then. Now, what if you want to give your Acorns account a little boost? Maybe you just got a bonus, or you sold something on eBay and want to invest those extra bucks. Well, Acorns has you covered. You can make one-time investments. It's like giving your money a little shot of adrenaline. But here's the thing, it's not instant gratification. It usually takes a couple of business days for the money to transfer over. So, don't expect to see your investment balance jump up immediately after hitting invest. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to growing your money. Another way to fund your Acorns account is through something called found money. Now, this isn't like finding a $20 bill on the sidewalk, although that would be nice. It's more like earning rewards for shopping at your favorite stores. Acorns partners with a bunch of retailers, and when you shop through the Acorns app or website, you earn a percentage of your purchase back. It's like getting paid to shop. Who knew, right? So, while you can't toss cash directly into your Acorns account, there are plenty of ways to get your money growing. It's all about finding the method that works best for you. Whether you're a set-it-and-forget-it kind of person or someone who likes to be more hands-on with your investments, Acorns has you covered. Remember, investing is a long-term game. It's not about quick wins. It's about building wealth over time. So, be patient, stay consistent, and watch your Acorns grow into a mighty oak. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.